Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and feeling relaxed today. Thank you so much for joining me. Your time and support truly mean a lot to us. Today's video is all about comfort, elegance, and feeling confident in your everyday life. We're excited to introduce a new undergarment collection that has been thoughtfully designed for people who believe that true style begins with comfort. This collection focuses on making you feel good from the inside out without being loud or overdone. As you explore this collection with me, you'll notice the careful choice of soft, breathable fabrics that feel gentle on the skin. Each piece is designed to offer a comfortable fit that supports you throughout the day, whether you're busy with work, relaxing at home, or stepping out for a casual moment. The designs are simple, modern, and elegant, created to blend naturally into your daily routine. The colours in this collection are calm, graceful, and thoughtfully selected. They are meant to feel soothing and attractive at the same time, helping you feel confident and comfortable no matter the occasion. These are designs that don't demand attention, but quietly enhance how you feel and carry yourself. If you're married or in a loving relationship, this collection brings a subtle charm and freshness to everyday moments. Feeling comfortable in what you wear naturally improves your confidence, and that confidence reflects in your mood, your presence, and your connections with others. Sometimes it's the small details that create the biggest impact. As we move forward in this video, I'll be showing you each design closely so you can notice the fabric, the fit, and the overall finish. Take your time while watching and see what matches your comfort needs and personal style the best. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like it.